This Reddit strategy for new customers has over 500,000 views on my reels now, and since everyone has been asking for more in-depth YouTube video, here we go. So Reddit is a little different. It's not same as Instagram, Facebook, or other platforms for marketing. People on Reddit really do not like ads or to be sold to. In fact, a lot of sub-communities, which are called subreddits, are even moderated, so anytime someone posts something promotional, those posts are taken down immediately. People on Reddit do not want their feeds to be adulterated from any marketing materials, but this is the only platform where people feel comfortable sharing their desires, their pains, and their ideas behind their anonymous usernames. So a lot of people don't use Reddit for marketing, not because it's not possible, it's just because they don't know how to. In this strategy, we're not going to be salesy whatsoever. We're just going to find the right people to have the right conversations with. Okay, let's get started. For the first step, we want to identify all the subreddits where we think we'll find our target user. So what we want to do is go to this website called envaca.github.io. Hopefully I'm saying it correctly. And just type in your industry. For example, in my case, let's just put in digital marketing for an easy example here. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to construct a map of all the subreddits where people in digital marketing are also active. So this will give me a broader picture of other communities where I can also do my search and reach my users. Or, in case I want to get into more niche, it's going to help me really identify that niche community which is related to my audience I'm trying to go for. Okay, for our next step, we're going to use this tool called GummySearch. There's a free plan or there's a 7-day trial for the pro version. And what we're going to do here is do some keyword analysis on our audience. So next, we want to create a new audience. Here, basically, we're going to select all the subreddits we saw in our first step. I already have one created, so I'm just going to skip this part. So once you have your subreddit selected, your audience will look something like this. So you have a name to your audience and it will show all the communities which you have selected. This is pretty cool insight tool actually, because you actually get to see which communities are being moderated, their activity and their size. So once you have all your subreddits selected, anytime you do a keyword search, this tool is actually going to search for those keywords across all these communities. Let's do an example. For example, let's say if I do social media marketing as my keyword, now this tool is going to generate the results anytime someone has mentioned the keyword social media marketing in either their comments or posts across all the different subreddits. So this is a really good way to understand what your audience is talking about without actually spending a lot of time on Reddit. You can understand, what are the pains, what are the angers, what are the opportunities people are talking about. So this could really help you come up with content ideas and even understanding where people are struggling with, where you can add value. So there are two goals with this exercise. The first one is to identify all the subreddits where you think your audience is actually asking the right questions, the questions which actually relate to your products or services. Second, we want to understand the keywords they're using. So you need to play around with the different keywords, different communities, maybe you remove some communities from your audience just to make your search a little bit easier. And once you have a short list of your communities and short list of keywords which people are asking, we're going to move on to the next step. So for the final piece of the puzzle, we're going to use this tool called Howitzer, or again, however you pronounce it. I'm going to link this in the notes again. And basically this is going to help us generate a user list which we can target for marketing. Now, using this tool, we want to type in the keyword which relates to the audience and the research you have done, and the short list of subreddits which you think it's going to work for. And now select if you want to target the users who have just commented or posted, or both. So let's say posted or commented, and the recency of the engagement. For example, let's say a month here. Now just hit get users. So basically if someone says they're struggling with email marketing and those were the keywords they were using, now you'll have a list of all those folks across various subreddits who are struggling with email marketing, which you can reach out to. This may take a little while to generate the list, but basically now you're going to have a list of all the users who have used a keyword in your targeted communities. So how cool is that? Now you have a list of all the people who have shown interest in certain topic or certain problem across various communities. Now you can just DM these individuals to start a conversation about the problem they might be having that you can help them solve. I wouldn't go directly into selling. I would start having a conversation, get deeper, learn more, and then maybe offer your solution or services. So there you have it. With millions and millions of posts going on Reddit every day, we have found a way to strategize and filter the exact people who might be interested in your services. So this, according to me, is the best way to market on Reddit where you're not being spammy or salesy to anyone.